As of May 11, Pavilion Branch, based sa DMA namin, lahat naman po is natapos na pending today. Day of tomorrow is wala. Pending area is maayos. May mga pending level na din siya. At dito is yung mga maliliit. Parcel for pick up is wala naman pong nabawa. Star Production parcel for pick up, walang nabawas, wala ding nadagdag. Ito po pala yung aming parcel for pick up. Wala pong nabawas, wala ding nadagdag. Meron lang kami ditong isang overdue. At ito naman po yung mga nakaraang araw. Pavilion Star Visual, hanging cabinet, glass tower, special uniform wall, sublimation, hot deals, bestseller, DIY, and gift ideas. Stockroom namin na maliit is organized naman, maayos na compared dati, malinis na din. DSR printed at 8:30 ng gabi. Cash count namin is tally naman po. Tally. Receipt issued is 1, 2, 3, 4. Meron kaming 4 na nabigay ngayong araw. Sa consumable naman, meron kaming 2, parehong dark paper. Bali total of 4 na dark paper ang nagamit ngayong araw. Key holder tomorrow, si Fernando. Survivor inquiry, meron kami ditong kay Sigma, waiting for payment na lang. And then yung special polo, meron na din quotation, waiting for payment na lang din. Si Sir Christian, converted into sales. Dumating siya dito kanina, bali nag-walk-in na siya bago siya nag-inquire muna siya and then nag-walk-in. Si Ma'am Tricia, waiting for payment na lang din kami. And then, itong si Sir Enrico naman is by Friday pa daw magpapagawa. Viber inquiry, total of 8 po lahat. Sa messenger naman, meron kami ditong si Ma'am Hana, which is converted into sales. Nag-walk-in na din po siya. And then, si Sir Jerome, which is nag-inquire siya, pero tomorrow or Wednesday pa daw siya pupunta. Messenger inquiry, total of 2 lang po. Sa email naman, meron kami ditong 3, Rowena, David, and Patricia, which is si Ma'am Rowena, converted into sales na siya, nag-walk-in po siya. Si Sir David naman is converted into sales na din, which is walk-in. At si Patricia, na-convert na din po. Bali, email, 3 lang po yung garbage disposal, hindi po natapon at medyo may space pa. No.